Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The Lemfo S21 is different from many smartwatches, insofar as it can be used independently of a smartphone while remaining actually quite useful. On the one hand, Lemfo has provided the S21 with GPS and LTE connectivity, which should allow you to use it freely on the move. On the other hand, the smartwatch supposedly runs Android 10 and has access to the Google Play Store. It is unclear how well apps will run on its MTK 9832 SoC and its 1.75-inch display, but support for the Play Store provides the S21 with greater versatility than most smartwatches have. The S21 also has 1 GB of RAM, a heart rate sensor and a small camera that you can use to unlock the device. Lemfo has included a speaker too and 16 GB of storage. Additionally, the smartwatch is IP68 certified and has a 700 mAh battery. The Lemfo S21 will be available to purchase on Banggood for US $79.99. The retailer currently offers new users a US $20 coupon too, which would make the S21 even more affordable. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.